beautiful people. Bright and splendid morning. Welcome back to the channel once again. Out here. You get what I say? Come out and do some chub-humping, but it may work. Because we don't know if it work yet because we only have some soldier crab. We left the lobster and we're going to look some morass. And you know so that we chop them by on moose and with some morass and John know the weather deal with it away so we don't find none. You see there's a See Explore Jamaica TV there. You see me? That spot. I go and hold it off, you know?
No morass people. Chop them because they feel wicked for the day so we have find them but go on down and look away, you know? Still they are try so I can go out with the soldier crab. Soldier crab alone we have so I can go and feed them.
Yeah man, I would mind see them float because even if you have the soldier crab alone, you know, we will grab a few, see them way. You get me? So, let's go and keep it locked peeps. Remember hit the subscription button, ring the notification bell so you'll be the first to get a video when that channel here drop a Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks TV. You see what I say? So, yeah, for all of the family and stuff, yeah man, welcome back. Watch out now. So people, alright, watch out go on now. My first sketch. This is my first sketch. You know normally through me operate the camera you can't see the catch. So this is my first sketch. Is a guardie. A small parrot there underneath the guardie. You get me I say, but me find him on the coast out there's an injury, so when I do me slab him, so me I go use him for piece of bait. You get me I say, so far one me catch, you see me? So we there here. We just reached so too long still, so don't worry on yourself man. The feast of the day are still full of action. You see what I say? So let's go and keep it locked. Heart of love man, yard and a bread, big up on yourself. Yeah man, people, this is we explore Jamaica over here, so sneak in fishing and ice jug, you know. See it there? Pilot. Yeah man, see my sneak in a pilot there. Two of them. Yeah man, people, two of them in sneak in, you know, see the next one. Yeah man, see me. So, there man, you're out here. At least something will go on, you know? like something.
Yes, babes. Don't have a tall guy down there again, you know? One more from them. Watch him. Go up here. Up here, youth.
We are bringing him up, you know? We have a line.
What's a tree line me have this, you know? Watch here. Take him up, take him up. Take him up. Up here. Take him up. Nice one again, babe.
That man.
That.
Yeah, I'm king, you know?
What more for them?
Come on, we left it. The lobster, we don't get no grass, but, you know?
Yeah.
See the second yard video.
Second one.
The man just go
there's a 2 yard up here. 3 pilot with it. A pilot with a catch.
So gets up there, man. Yeah man, people keep it locked, man.
Right?
That is it. Yeah man, my beautiful peeps. So another one, you know? To the tally, you know? Watch out. Beautiful. Yeah, see there? Yeah man, over 2 feet, you know? Yeah man, so just go and keep it locked, you know? We there up on the hunting same way, you know what I mean? Yes I. Yard and a broad. Yeah man peeps, so see it there now. A whopping 2 for 1, you know? 2 one time. See them there? Yeah man, 2 one time my peeps. 1, 2, you know? See it there? That me I tell you now. And when me I pull them in, you know peeps, me see like about 20 more around them down, you know. Yeah man, so what me I go do? Me I go try beat up back my line fast, you know what I mean? And send it out the back to see if I can grab anything more, you see it? Out of the bungle. See, explore over there, so there. Yeah man, explore, going up the sea, cause you know say they're not really a bite at, you know. So I'm going up the sea. Yeah man, see how everything's set there. Yeah man. So let's just go and keep it locked, man. Remember, subscribe to the channel, my peeps. Yeah man. This is a video where you're going to see me less. You know, cause just a video the action. You know what I mean? So I want to keep it locked, my peeps. Funny, man, no?
Nice one, we catch a while ago to man and a boy tear off you. Nice one, peeps. Yeah?
Nice little bridging.
Come on, can't go put it in the bucket.
Come on, see my peeps. You don't know, you know, we have the action phone out here today, you know, man. You get me, I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so grab another jack. As you see, but guess what the problem now? You see what go on? It's a barra that bust him, you know, when meanwhile me I pull him up, you know. You get what me I say? And get a bite from a barra. Really grab him, see the peeps? If you notice up here some damage, so I grab him sideways but he miss him, you know? So he just barely slice him, so see the peeps? Yeah man. Show no what I go on now. Yeah man. Sorry about that, you know? So see it there? Juice on one side, you know. But see what I go on there. In a minute, me show you what I go on. Grab something. Grab something. From me see how you dry, I mean, man, I know it's nice. Come on, peeps, so get my line ready. And, you know, go out there back, you know. I'm a third jack that, peeps. And it's a good look, you know? Yeah man, keep it locked. Yeah man, my peeps. Another jack, you know? Yeah man, this supposed to be my fourth one. You see me? Boy, explore, make me smile when he come down here, so people. I never see look a kangaroo around there, so. When next one you just get? You take him up yet? I want to come up in the peeps. Boy, pilot them up and explore hard from yesterday. Man catch over about 17 to 18 yesterday. No?
17 you catch yesterday.
17.
I beat that today.
You say I beat that today? Yeah man, and see the people. Fourth jack now, you know? See there? Fourth jack. You know? So, the flow no look too bad, you know? Yeah. See Explorer take up in next pilot.
Bad! You learn till they have to come from my line. I think I throw them off.
Yes, you know I throw them off. So, start going up here. Watch out. Pilot the base, you know, man, see it? In a minute, me show on the still. I get what I say about it. Get back to some fishing. Lovely day out there. You see what I say? Yes, man. Boy, chat. What's up, while I get nice. Yeah, man, I draw that like say, yo. Yeah, boy, giant. Receive. Take your receive. Nice blue parrot, man. The pips. Blue parrot, man. Nice, that's I enjoy so heavy, man. Blue parrot heavy, you know, man. Right, then we out there, but then the we out there, say, you know. Yeah, man, explore, you have to go.
You make a ride,
say no out there, you know.
Look, God, wicked idea, people.
Here, man.
Wicked, man, idea, me. You pilot me a catch. Go on, see what can go on still.
Yeah man, let's go and keep it locked, you know?
Yes man.
Yeah man peeps, so another jack, you know? Another blue runner. So I go on, one more to the tally. You understand? Never remember if about 4 to 5, you know, or 6. But in other region there we don't know enough peeps. See me? Yeah man, fresh on the water. So yeah, add him to the igloo, you know. As I say, we want fresh, you know. So see there. Another one, you know. Yeah man. So you know when we finish we are making us see the full catch, so no worry on yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Come like we jack them out there. I go on circle and come back, circle and come back, you know. So if today we're lucky, we might grab a few of them, you know. Yeah man. So see it there? Nice and beautiful view out. Yeah man, we have a splash against rock. Yeah man, nature. Yeah man peeps, another lovely garden, you know. See him there? Yeah man, see him there, nice and pretty, you know. See there? Lovely one. Yeah man, get him disconnect from the line, right him well so like, you know. So take him to see what I go on. See what I go on, him well so like peeps, see there? Yeah man. Not a fish here to play with, you know. See them teeth there? Sharp like a razor. Yeah man. So see now? That one is over 2 feet as well. You don't know. See there? People we outside, man, I do the right thing, man. When I explore Jamaica TV out there. You see me? So when I go down, I take him off now. And then put him back, put him in the, put him on the ice. You know, so him stay cool and fresh. Yeah man, I'm back out in the water, you know. Yeah man, so just go and bless up on yourself. That's it. Until the next sketch. Yeah man, see explore the peeps. Up on the hill, you know. But through me not so skill. I walk around, you know. As I make me two and them full up on something so. Him up there.
How about the right essay now?
Yeah? I think so. I rode the right there so. So down there so me I walk. So catch you with up on the top there, you know. We just move to a different location. That's the name Charm Base. You know? Yeah man. After that, they do home, you know? Yeah. So let's go and keep it locked, man. Heart of love, you know? Yard and abroad, big up on yourself. Yeah man. Yeah man peeps. So they're over upon the rock, you know? See it there? Yeah man. This up on top of the rock. Now, so what me I do? I have to go head up this so now, through my walk around. I can't see Explore Jamaica TV for instance, so I have to go head over there so catch up with him, you know? Do the right thing. Yeah man. See it there? And here we Explore some people will finally catch up with him, you know. So I'm say over there so name Charm Base, you see me? Yeah man. And you have to go with that one. And then shake stone you dance. Yeah man.
And more while when the water rough and bumps on the stone, I hope you some man and feel the stone and vibrate, you have to weird. If you cut, you look, you lift up man. Then you cut, you lift up man.
We go shake stone, you know? Yeah man peeps so show them me catch through the day, you know. You don't know a thing though. You can come here and you show them what I go on, you know. So you see what I go on. Yeah man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, 5 jack, you know. This is where they take up earlier for bait, so we are just dispose of him, you know. 1, 2 guard. You know that one we are using as bait, you know what I mean? So call it 3 same way, you understand? 1 pilot. You get me? 1 butter, 1 small butter. You never see when me never show you when me catch a one here. But this is a small butter. And small parrot, you know? So can't complain. Aha. The man is cool, you know? The man can't complain, people. You see me? So you have more explode.
I get more than yesterday.
You're going to explode.
Laugh to me.
You count down pilot first enough to it.
Pilot all one day I have a count, no, not yesterday I have a count.
You count down pilot.
Yeah.
Every meet you
So,
yeah, man.
no be, me no be.
Yeah.
10, 12, 14,
16, 18, you beat
by 17 we catch yesterday, 18 today. We still go on yesterday. We catch them and buy my go to road somebody I say yo. How long me no eat pilot? I love them pilot.
Oh, you did give them way?
Yeah,
that's why you stop so long.
Yes, you must make it yesterday man.
Man, somebody said nothing for you, nothing for me.
Yeah, but I want to make it home. Make it home. How much per me catch? 5.
Yeah, about 5.
Make it home 2 per hour.
Yeah.
They give it 3 and about 10 I pilot them. So 10 I pilot them and 3 per hour. And make it home 2 per hour and about 7 pilot.
I give it more so where you do the jack them?
You give them 2 jack. 2 jack me catch, me give them 1 2. This is something that alone me sitting there.
What you do with the soldier crab though?
Carry them into me.
You have to feed them and sit. Yeah man peeps, another beautiful day out, you know. Can't complain even though we don't perform the way we want to perform, because you don't know. We don't get the grass. So me I say,
So we don't get no chub. We live lobster. Then we could get the more jack or something, but there you go. Give thanks same way. 18 pilot, never put on no water. 1 pilot, now little kanga Tony, and boil water with nothing wrong with that.
next time you see we are competition, you know, a long time we don't go there.
Yeah, man, long time we don't chat no competition. Next time competition.
That's about it picking up. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Remember in the people if they catch pilot, 2 points, did up. You see what I say? Snapper 4 points, blue, and pink parrot,
2 points.
2 points, bridging 1 point. You don't know people.
Anything other else I want.
Yeah, anything otherwise 1 point. God bless snapper.
Any snapper at all. Anything. God bless. Yeah.
Hey, moonshine, you say. Moonshine
Yeah,
snapper.
God bless moonshine and I get him there. God bless.
Now get the moonshine as well.
Yeah, we catch now. I don't think I catch no idea.
It's a good. We are packed up to go in and you see me? I love the fans them, you see me? You don't know where to go. Remember Explore Jamaica TV, we just run go over there. Do the right thing.
Yeah, man.
Comment, share and subscribe.
Remember, God first, you see me?
Yeah man. We gonna have some local problem with them upload them now, but we just be here with them until
Yeah, man.
you get it sorted out, you see me?
Soon start out, soon back punch up.
I know I love it generally, because you know, like, I think most of them things I want to see on the channel, so you have to say big respect to that. So,
running. Big up on yourself.
yeah, man, and big up Fox anyway in the sea.
Yeah, man, Fox. Big up yourself, boss.
Yeah, man, so keep it locked. Yeah, peeps. Blessings and love.